Alright, so we are replacing this video doorbell. This is by doorbell. They're kind of nice looking cameras, but they don't really work that good or last that long. So we will be replacing this. Hooks up to doorbell AC power, 24 volts. And yeah, so this has 18 volts coming off it, which is plenty to power one of these. We'll be replacing this with this Dahua doorbell, which we've installed a few of these, and they're pretty reliable and work pretty well. So we'll plug in there. Kind of wish the wire connections were nicer, like this. But is what it is. It's a good, reliable, good quality doorbell that also records to Dahua DVRs, which is what this will be working with. Whole security camera system is Dahua. So let's go ahead and get this going. Alright, so this is that Stanley drill. I put a new battery pack in. Go ahead and give it a try. It's got a lot of torque. It really does. It doesn't have a switch stop, so gotta kind of be careful with that. But plenty of power when you give it an old 12 volts. Alright. Got this mounted, so that screw's not in the way, so I can actually mount it. I really do hate these connectors here. These are the worst connections. They're so difficult against almost a flat area to mount a doorbell. So it's just a bad design on their part. Alright, let's get it programmed. Alright, so installing the doorbell is pretty much self-explanatory through the app. I don't really have enough time to show you on video, but we are going to install this ringer. We're going to install 2 of them. Never done these before, but it should be pretty easy. So, it comes with US plug. We'll hook that up. Maybe, yeah. There we go. And I'm going to read the instructions real quick and I'll get back with you.